Hey guys, it's Elaine, the Ninja Life Coach, and welcome to my channel today. Today, I'm going to do an Amazon wig unboxing. So sit back, grab yourselves a cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I'm really pleased to be reviewing for this company on Amazon because I've never reviewed for them before, and this is from Miman, M-I-M-A-N. So let's open this up and see what's in here. Okay. Oh goodness, this is not easy for folks who have arthritis in their hands, but she is a cute little blonde number, and let's take a look at her. Well, so far the fibers feel pretty good. And let's just take a look at the inside of this wig. Okay, she has got a comb in the front. I like that. I do like having that comb right in the front to clip it down to your hair. And she's a little rooted wig. She looks like a little bob. And on the inside, she's got just your basic wig cap. Now, there's not anything really special or unique about the wig cap. It's just basic wig cap. And she's got the little adjustable straps. She does have bendable tabs on the side where you can bend that down a little closer to your head. Well, wait a minute. No, those are not bendable tabs, or are they? I can't decide. I'll have to wait till I put her on and then we'll just see. But let's examine the hair. Now, she is a fairly lightweight wig. She's not extremely heavy, and I do like that. And I do like the color. She's really, really pretty. So what I want to do is I'm going to put this wig on my head, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I am with this wig on my head. I just kind of plopped her on here, and I didn't do a whole lot to her. Let me turn around. Let me let you all see the entire, so you all can see the entire look. Now, you don't have to push her behind your ears. I just kind of did that. You can do it like that. So let me turn around and let you see the wig. What I'm going to do with this wig is I'm going to go in there and I'm going to mess with her just a bit. The fibers feel pretty good. Let me get in here close so you can see the rooting on the wig. A little bit of permatease right in here, but not a lot. There is not a lot of permatease in this wig. It's not an extremely heavy wig. The wig cap feels a little bit wonky to me. So let me go mess with it just a bit and I'll be right back. Now, I put a headband on her because actually this wig is pretty large. There's a lot of room up in here on my head. I have a small head, so this wig is absolutely a little bit big for me. Now, having said all that, this wig, the fibers on the wig, they feel pretty good. For a cheap wig, they feel pretty good. Like I said, the wig cap is large. I would absolutely recommend this wig if you're looking for a fun wig, a fashion wig, just a party type wig. I think this would do it. I think this would fit the bill. I think it's cute, and I think you could certainly do it. I think you could create a very specific look, and I think it's good for all that. For what it is, it's worth it. I would recommend this wig if you're needing a wig for a costume party or a cosplay type of situation. I think this wig would be perfect for that. I think the hair is, moves pretty well. I think it's hitting, pretty much all the requirements for that. Hey, if you've wanted to ever know what you look like with short blonde hair, you could do worse than this. This is not a bad wig for that. Okay, guys, let's talk about this wig. Now, this wig has got your basic cap construction. This wig is not anything special on the inside. It does have the combs. The ear tabs, after I got it on my head, the ear tabs are not bendable. So this is just a basic costume, cosplay type of wig. Or if you want to just have a fun look for just a couple of days, or if you want to just see what you look like in blonde hair, this would fit the bill. As far as a daily wear wig, I don't think this would be that. But you know what? There's a wig for every head. And if this is something that you would like to try to wear every day, go for it. There's a difference between a $17 wig and a $70 wig and a $170 wig. There's a huge, vast difference. Now, as far as a costume wig or a cosplay wig or just a fashion wig, this will fit the bill. This really will. I've got wig hair all over my face. I'm trying to get it off. This is shed just a little bit, but you know, most synthetics do when you take them out of the box just a little bit. And I found that Amazon wigs tend to do that a little bit more than some of the other wigs that you get from a wig company. But you know what? That's okay. You just shake them out really good and you go on about your business. But one thing I would definitely do is I would definitely trim these bangs. The bangs are long, and this is made for a larger head. So if you have a pretty good sized noggin, this wig will fit you. And this wig would be perfect for a fashion, cosplay, costume type of situation. This is a grade above your regular costume wig. I have wigs from all walks of life. I have wigs that are just like this. In fact, I have reviewed wigs that are just like this, that are costume wigs, and this is actually a pretty high-end costume type wig, actually. So I would definitely recommend it for something like that. Listen, guys, I'm going to ask you to check out everything down in the description box. When you get an opportunity, hop on over to my private group, Hey Girl Hey, it's Mary Kay. I'd love to have you as a member there. Links are down in the description box. I'd love to add you. I always add all my YouTube community members just simply because I love you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Maranatha, folks.